Today we have discussed exponential function with logarithm function, right? What is exponential function? We know that exponential functions, but now we today discuss domain of exponential function is real line, and the range of exponential function is y is in R is such that y is greater than to 0, right? The graph of e power x which is equals to greater than to 0, right? Now what have the following properties? E की power x is not equals to 0 for all x is in R. This is an exponential function which is strictly increasing function and differentiable. It is strictly increasing function, always increasing function. Okay. Now other property is e की power x plus y which is equals to e की power x into e की power y. This sum of the exponential, the sum of this are factored out in e की power x, e की power y for all x comma y is in R. Now for the constant value this is given to you e की power CR. What is the derivative of e की power x which is always equals to e की power x. Now for the exponents e की power nx is equals to e की power x की whole की power n. Now for the exponents exponent functions have this property also e की power m over n which is equals to e की power 1 over n की whole की power m. What is the limit of the exponential function when it is minus infinity? If it is minus infinity then it is goes to be 0, right? Now for extending to infinity, as we know that it is strictly increasing function, so it is always increases to infinite, right? This is the exponential function. What is the logarithm functions? We have noted that the logarithm function is strictly increasing function L with domain. What is the domain? Its domain is x is positive and the range is whole R, right? Its domain is x is greater than to 0 and the range is whole R. Now the graph of this function is this whole R. And what is the derivative of log of x which is equals to 1 over x? As x is in the denominator, so it is always positive, otherwise it doesn't exist, right? So log of x of y which is equals to log of x plus log of y for all x and y is greater than to 0. Okay. Now what is the value of log of 1 which is always equals to 0, and the logarithm of e at the base e which gives you 1, log of x की power r which gives you r log of x for x is greater than to 0 and r is in rational numbers, right? What is the value of log of